Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to another remastered video from the past. This is a really beautiful pop bottle pour over. As you can see, I cut the bottom off of I think it's a 750 ml, not a 2 liter. I remember thinking that it was not a 2 liter pop bottle, but anyway, either one would work. I love the colors in this piece. This was actually the second piece that I sold and was so excited. I love how the pop bottle creates petals just like in a flower. I learned a lot from this piece. As you'll see, I'm, just kind of playing around. I had this new heat gun. I think it's like an embossing tool that I was trying out with my paints to pop the air bubbles, and I discovered that wow, I could actually push the paint with this, so why not use it to enhance my art? So that's what I was doing here, trying to add some definition to those petals. I had so much fun creating this piece. If you have not subscribed to my channel and are enjoying what you're watching, I would love if you would subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up. And I always love to hear from my viewers as to what you think of my pieces, so make sure you leave me a comment down below. All right, so here I am just, I'm spreading out my base coat because I'm trying to hold on to those petals, because as you can see, I did not get that pop bottle centered before I poured, so my flower is not very centered on this canvas, and I wanted to try and get some paint into the center. I've learned a lot, and artist Amy now is like, no, don't do that, do this, as I'm editing this piece. But back then, this is how you learn, by playing around and trying different things. And the metal base was definitely not a good idea. Very, very slippery, and this canvas slid on me quite a few times. And here we are at the close-up. I will have the full video linked at the very end of this video. In that video, I have all of the colors listed. There's a couple of links as well. Yeah, I was really happy with this piece, and like I said, it sold pretty quickly after I created this, which also made me a little bit sad because I really loved this piece so very much. So thank you so very much for watching. Take care, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!